Welcome, you're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Education Minister inaugurates Sinod College Nongstoin. JBK Company real estate, leaving 108 staff directionless. Temple attack in Shillong miscreants challenge authorities. And HNYF holds new housing construction at Shillong. And now the news in detail. On July 24th, Sinod College Shillong, in collaboration with Khasi Janta Presbyterian Sinod West, inaugurated the Sinod College in Tisao, Nongstoin. The event was graced by Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma, who officially opened the new college in the region. Minister Sangma cut the ribbon of the cornerstone at Nongstoin, followed by a public meeting held on the college campus. The event was attended by Nongstoin MLA Gabriel Walang, H.M. Shankliang, Macmillan Birsat, pastors, elders from KGP Sinod West, principals of schools and colleges, as well as men, women and students from the area.
The values, the beauty that set as a Christian institutions, as educated individual, it's our responsibility today to multiply and to share to one another. I think with this objective, the Synod has established a new college to make humans to be the better one tomorrow. Honorable, let P.A. Sangma speak of the Lok Sabha. He used to say in the parliament. I think it is on this almost at the end of his days. Maybe it was one of the towards the end of his days that he spoke in the parliament. What is spoke? In the midst of all the turmoils against the minority and different situations, what is it? In India, in this great country, the Christian institution has contributed a lot. Christian institution doesn't mean to convert Hindu into Christian, the Muslim into Christian, anybody into Christian. No. It's what he was quoting the quote from the Mother Teresa. But Mother Teresa said, unquote, I convert, it is what P.A. Sangma said in the parliament. I convert and we convert Hindu to be the better Hindu. We convert Christian to be the better Christians. We convert Muslim to be the better Muslim. Our objective is to convert human being to be the better human being. Therefore, friends, I'm extremely happy today for this new college. And it's my prayer that this college will meet the purpose, will serve the purpose. I believe this college will produce great human beings from this region, from this district, from this state, from this country. Lots of measuring scale. We have a richer scale to measure the earthquake. We have thermometer to measure the temperature. We have different measuring scale to measure some things. But what measure the human development? I think that education is a measuring scale to measure the human beings. To measure society, any individual who are educated, they always do differently. And their testimony is always different, my friends. Therefore, along with the government of Meghalaya, I would like to request the Synod, KGP Synod, and all church leaders of all denominations, let us soldier the responsibility to make our state as one of the model states in the country in the education sector.
On July 24, 2023, the staff of 108 Health Emergency Service met with the State Health Minister Ampreen Lyngdoh to address the predicament they face after the JVK company left the state. With the company's departure, the 108 staff found themselves in a difficult situation as they had no direction or support. Recognizing the urgency of the matter, the staff requested the government to take over the management of 108 to ensure the continuity of the vital emergency service and improve the quality of care provided to the people. Poipar Khar Raswai, the president of 108 Workers Union, informed the media that the meeting with the health minister was productive. Minister Lyngdoh assured the staff that she would thoroughly examine the issue and invited them for further discussions in October. Given the gravity of the situation, it is expected that the matter will be presented to the cabinet as it directly affects the lives of the people who rely on the 108 emergency service.
Kenika kam jungi kan kalong nadu men uni usnam meladap mo usnam meladap ni don ketuka jungi ki jungi kalau don ka strike itu te ka demand ke jungi kalong ba ka sarkar kan weng no ya ka company de na kalian ka sarkar nadu banai Jun macam senam kalau weng ya ka GP company GPK bat ka lapaman peniat dah ka NHM di nak leng NHM ko omban su peniat temporary tang lai banai kemud nadu macam senam Julai Agos September kata ka lai banai kalau kun du September last year oh sementara ami biang banai Julai lah jandap sisnem ba ka peniat ji ka NHM di hak kani ka jing peniat ka NHM pan kalong ba kam aisu kanu ka facilities ini nak kalian ka sarkar ka su abitang ka tulop kam aisu kanu facilities ka bamut nadu ki leave polisi nang ta nadu ki medical insurance ye nang ta nadu ki PF ma provident fund gituru ngimdan issue kumon ka omban su peniat temporary ini lai banai ndri menta kala jan sistem ka peniat tengi ni kamla shu ben enjoy kita ki benefits ki jungi yo bitang katulop te hakani ke jing penian juga ke NHM ala jandap sistem menta ka jing sya ka yat bet himo ka kam gajam ka yat bet te kalau penian napo nanti napo di HS himo penian te ka yat bet ka yat smooth ki kam ki jam tang ba ka sulong no ba kita ki facilities ni klamla ni kamio facilities kan te nak kalian jungi ngelawan mi siwan mi hai health minister ro buat kan dia mentak long license ngelawan mi te kejing ye keren ban i ka bet ka biang kejing ye keren mo kalong ba nak kalian jungi ong ba ma i ru i keren bet mo ya kini ki MD body mission director body pet body penyal ini ong keren bet ban penbit penjang yang kita kijun kam jungi tangba adu mentaru pade ni krempat rai ban le thamai gnor ben di nak kalian jungi ni kwa hi nadu ka banengkong hi ni kwa ba nak kalian sarkar kan penyat hino kebut baka state government he can take over ya kenika service mo hagni ka state ujungi nomor play ngi ong ba nak kalian ka sarkari nak kalian ka state government hi kala ai hadu 90% ka fund an peniat kenika kam tebat mentaru kala along sifo banai ka ui banai mentak la ayat ka peniat hi ka sarkar along smooth ka kam tina kalian jungi ni semua baka nak kalian sarkar kam don jing isu hi baka peniat mana ka sarkar ka peniat hiru tangba nak kalian ke sarkar adu mentar nak keren ye health minister iko ba nak kalian ke sarkar te ka syam jing ban le kita ke tina kalian jungi pan ru ngilak sutu lawan adu laisin nong nak kalian sarkar i pen bet temo ba kimwa tina kalian jungi ru ni relax ya kata ni dang ya keren hibat i health minister mentan ru ngi om ba lada ingin cu temporary sa umne kam tam mentang ila tre hadu khasan senam na dak kasan senam ngatri yang ni istri temperisa tu long kasyam jingi isbun mo yang ibentre te ngi ong balada kalong kumno ru ka sarkar kadi ban penbet penbano ekni ka kam nomor ba kumbalong mentah nak pring jungi ngi syam jingi isbun nadu ki live indon mo nadu ki medical insurance idun te nakaliang jungi ngilai keren hang tu ngilong relaksi kendian ngilong ba lada kanwan kanu ru andrei kedai ban sedang no ban bahkan sarkar kan peniai no teh kan komro ba ngila ban enjoy pada kita ki facilities jungi kan nang tadi ngiong ba lada kawan kanu ru kemut bangi di ban yo ya ka balai ngiong ba kan government kan simti mo paling yang government kan simti kamut ba ni di banyo ya kita ki better salary better facilities kata di ku ajungi telada ba ka sarkar kamla kumba ngisutu ba ka jingi ker bi ngimla pat penborthan mo ba ka sarkar kan susim ben ri lada kamla ka sarkaru lada kanu ke penya iru kamut ba ni di banyo ya kita ki artli kijing kwa jungi mo better salary and better facilities kamut ba ni di enjoy gitu ki hok jungi kum ka syuti kum ki PF kum ki medical insurance ni mo kata kalau ngicik jungi te mentar keren jorong than mo kai ri kwa ngi bu akmat ka sarkar ba kumalai keren hibat i health minister mentan ba dadi hadu bunai September kala long sendon khatsan banai kata ka jing pen delay ke jumki kan bagi ong tanglai banai himpikan long khatsan banai pat kami hapsu ngi la pressure hi madam mentan ngi ong pa kumnu hadu banai September kamu ngi di bani ino teh kataka new salary kataka new facilities bagi di bani yo hendri nakal yang i madam ngi ong tongin hadu Oktober kumnu kala ala bi ban le ke sarkar te tong nak kalian juga taruh ngila relax no yong to ngiru ngin bu kumka deadline mo ba nadu ubnai Oktober kumut bangi di banyo no katakan new salary katakan new facilities bangi di banyo katakan di message mengi ai sarkar mo kalau aban long kumka deadline ba nadu ubnai Oktober kumut bangi di banyo no kita ki new new salary new facilities bijungi ban kawai ru ka bangi kwa ban mention hang ni kelong ba syapang ki ni ki kuartar bijungi syapang ki kuartar bijungi ba ki jakasa bijungi kan bun na pedengki ki base bijungi ki kuartar bijungi ki long pun ha ki bajot long don light ki bom don ki bajau ki ba ka slab ka para ka hab begitu kalau rezeki yang ibansa te nak kali jungi request ke sarkar ban penbiang ban kam penbiang yang ki jakasa jungi ro bat ka way de kalong ba mi kwa ba ka nak kali sarkar kan de bhai ki refresher training mo namar jungi baro ki pilot ru ki MT ru ngi de ban pas ya ki training nangta idos ki refresher training ru ngi ban pas man la kan ru banai le mensua andre nadu peniat kini NHM mentala jandap sistem ikramle kita ki refresher training tina kalian jungi ngi sukit klik mo namar ba ngi deal bat kajing im jung ki brio mut gi ban yo ha kini ki refresher tre kidon kumba ars pak san pho mut ki office staff bat ki field staff kan perok kidon kumba ars pak san pho tam kendiat tai kajing peniat kan HM kumba ong menemo kalong smooth hi gaya bed he ang sulong no ba ni ke kam ai ni ta ki facilities kan ke su ai ta tulok nalal ketulok warit no ini lah kajing yang keren sih pang ketulok di alik kenduk ya biro siapa banginuan kenduk ya di madam kan men aki benai naduk ini ki November Desember Januari naduk ki benai alik kenduk MD omba ngin le biang ni ngin tengkiu biang ni ketulok bejungki tambah yang aipor yang ni kat tu kan dia benai no yang tu kan aipor ke hadin tu kawan action itu te dalam ada nanti diwan di madam mo di health minister diwan di keren ni mai yang le kata kan kiu te na ke bang ni om ta jing penyiat ya NHM kambiang di hitam kiat pe dia nanti selong no ba kuat makan kiu su tu ni nama kabaret kan kambiang di facilities.
And unexpected chaos erupted at the largest Shiva temple, Mahadev Khola Dham, in Shillong on July 24th, when a group of anti-social elements launched an unexpected attack on devotees. The incident took place on the auspicious occasion of Sawan's third Monday, which attracted a large gathering of devotees. Witnesses report that a significant crowd had gathered at the temple to offer prayers and seek blessings when suddenly a group of miscreants visibly wearing black with covered faces entered the temple premises and engaged in violent altercation with the shopkeepers of the worship stalls located in front of the temple. The assailants also targeted women devotees. Capturing the entire incident on the CCTV footage, the police could utilize for further investigation and hopefully will be able to capture the wrongdoers.
ये ब्लू वाला भी दिखाई वो ब्लैक वाला वो ये मेन था ये ब्लैक वाला
ये तो मुझे कर दिया ब्लू वाला
ये ब्लैक वाला जो था ना ये मेन था
हाँ ये ब्लैक वाला
मंदिर में घुस गया ना लोग
हाँ पूरा अंदर से पूरा गेट से घुस गया था अंदर में पूरे लेडीज लोग को धमका रहा था
ये ब्लैक वाला में
ये ब्लैक वाला ना
ये
जो बाहर में खड़ा हाँ ये जो जिससे जो ब्लू वाला टी शर्ट बात कर रहे हैं
हाँ ये मेन था ये
This one and this one. This guy started problem.
ये हमको बड़ा वीडियो मत बनाओ.
This one.
ये मेन है
Yeah, ये मैंने. Second this one.
तीन 6 जने.
फिर आया था इन लोग इधर में तो खाली इतना था बाकी इधर में था
1 2 3 4 5 6
बेटा को माइक दिए ना बताया
आंटी हमको अमूल कूल दीजिए तो मैं बोली ठीक है लो दी उसको तो फिर वो क्या किया कि बोला कि कल पैसा देगा तो मैं बोली कि मेरा छोटा मोटा दुकान है मैं आज नहीं दूंगी बाकी नहीं देगा बाकी तो फिर अमूल कूल रख दिया नारियल उठाया जो नारियल दीजिए तो मैंने नारियल उसका वो उठा लिया तो मैं बोले रखो रखो फिर वो नारियल रखने के बजाय मेरे ऊपर ऐसे करके मारा इतना ज़ोर से ये सब में मेरा देखिए ना ये सब लग गया पूरा ये चाकू लिया था हाथ में ये सब पूरा चाकू से ये पूरा पैर में देखिए मेरा लड़का पैर खुल गया पूरा एकदम इतना ज़ोर ज़ोर से 4-5 जन बाद में आया है एक साथ में ग्रुप बना के बहुत जन था आके फिर मेरे लड़का को मारने लग गया तो मैं गई तो मुझे भी मारा उन लोगों ने इतना जोर से मैं चिल्ला इतना गंदा गंदा गाली दे रहा था वो लोग निर्मला मिश्रा
देखिए ऐसा आदमी लोग को सीधा अरेस्ट करना चाहिए नहीं करने से और पब्लिक को बहुत परेशान करेगा इन लोग पहले से बहुत पब्लिक लोग को परेशान करके रखा हुआ है ऐसा लोग को फ्री नहीं छोड़ना है और इन लोग को अभी पेनल्टी देना पड़ेगा मेरा मम्मी को बहुत जोर से लगा है पेनल्टी लगेगा इन लोग को
आप लोग FIR कर रहे हैं
हम लोग FIR कर रहे हैं
20,000
रुपया लेके गए उन लोग
The Hinyotrap National Youth Movement HNYF in East Khasi Hills district has taken a stand to halt the housing construction at Them Maulong. On July 24th, the HNYF set a 2-day deadline for the construction to cease. HNYF President Bless the Khar expressed disappointment over the ongoing construction, which is believed to be illegal as the area is still under the case at the Meghalaya High Court. The Khar stated that he had obtained information about the construction from the Shillong Municipal Board and the Meghalaya Urban Development Authority, MUDA. However, both organizations failed to provide clear information regarding the case or the new housing construction.
Municipal kan le ekbaran kam habi di waktuga tipinong di badan itu ban ong fi mata hispa tamalungi hawan keloi mata ban pensyai ka sarkar lara kam umdei si ur ka ai bagani ka ege bangi pensyai mata kan poi becha sha government baga shimkhia habilor bagi degani lada in ups kong fi sang hisi aski ba ni de kadiban ai ni de bajing to bala pensange lem komta tamot ni inam ai na ni kala sang shim bi wiksa ki media ngi pat lek jurep kene tai ke kamram kadi jong municipal kamram hi kadi jong hima meli ring la kali no si mana si nyat ke municipal ni la le ko office ngi fi maka nama ba usi o shim shuti taksi la sha ki sawan tela sha ngin continue biang kene ngeli ke do usi umpat yo e state ke ju ke surok ka don ta hendrai ke jingmi jong ki kali pat ke poi be kumbang yekren USP mata wong no san arlak kali tangge baya di sini gila bandan po Shillong fi ka baskusi kalau fikran ni ka traffic jam deh ngap kran ni try le jala la jongru namar ba wei po ka wei ke department finet pej deh unong try kam sarkar deh ka wei kali nado pion udon kali wara kali LD wara kali UD wara kali ti kani ka wara ka jek kala wara ka traffic jam wat da teng tengi poj ba habang ilek dan kam haki face haki department affair ru ngap wat yang kali ti namar bala adap de kali kista iban wanra kali kista apo ki office apo ki department bagi tray cingsha ka de ban to la da usa kan ang ni syo umsning wan tray ang ni Shillong tadak kamata kali usa kan ang ni syo maurak kene kon kam rai mata pi tray apo DTO office visa mulai fin wara kali ada don sis pangut kista wara ispa tali ladap kamaran ti nakalian cumi habang yakran bat ka traffic jam mdei tangga taro Kawan ini yang ini bagas sarkar sedang menjadi event out ke tangi taksi ke turun im sotenan im persyabel to mentangi la keren SP ong ada bueng kata tindak kali yang cumi apa keren pat yang ke traffic jam ong fikar ju kalenti ngap keren ru eki company pak kibawan ban kamai spa ni finance mo di hoi ga ni cuma dia nama ba sensor ba sawah di Ikuwi pa mga bupat yang ini berserta kala ayam dan minyak ke notification aku di mana. Suaman bat kali kita tak yang sesuatu. Macam tentang itu dengan kredit kita, dan kita tentang kita 100%, 90%, 100% dan 100% klaim di nikmat berserta kali apa hal ya kan kita bertahan. Kau ayam juga nama kanong kasi safety lupa pa mga tumumusyahi bata yung gigan sibul kam ba sniw apo kali dile andre ni kwa ban kalipat dan gomel hatu kala kunin yang notification ka ay na naga traffic di police bakal le kini hapo ba kali stop ndi man tam mo makin ten kali bele ha fortuna kunki Scorpio kunki Verna kino na ban hari kisif marti kini kita stop ka jingnya mesti kelas tentang nukli itu sahabat tentang apa ini bata cuma itu kuat lang ya ini nagalian kesan itu apa kli bentuk kli ya government hatu kalau ada produk kalau isu dengan notification dan mereka traffic di pandan bahkan deh jadi bakal dapat kan nukli jadi nukli itu bukan kami yang layu ada authorized nano dan ini nagalian kesan ini pengon hanya kalau ini deh sih ini sudah menyampaikan mini ministro pada kalong siang kali kalau juga long no siang kali jadi ministro misalnya kemarin istiqbal itu support MLJ1 banyak dan istiqbal show banyak MLJ2 dan istiqbal show dari impati bakaan Meghalaya atau dia kalau bersih kawan pian bersih kawan diperjuang ke depan di kiskan jadi kita di sahabat dari yang besar di sen melanggar sinet hawa ingin kuat pakai dengan sinet hawa itu dan ni kuat pakai ni tidak lek kita sedang membuat kali cek kali bandung baik salah satu lembaga kita ada yang step punya jujur tehanu nung khamnya kali to khen phiki kali kat baka kali kan scrap kali bikin du kali shani shufo ka snam kali nak penon kampus terus kibami thamai haiga bala masuk ke kini problem video traffic jam mendai tangga taruh keren pat sagawai pat hadian mengila i katang i baksorta hatlas naik SBT Baka sarkar ko asnai ka ISBT pat imi don jumentoy kita ka ISBT. Saturday Sunday pinapet day kini kita bos nadu asam kila direct kile sora direct kile maulanong direct kile chapo mau senram kile jaka keleng awide ki tourist spot te kim jurung anthiero te piwan menta pile pipet tangi kani kanan tolok ha pinlap ang tu pet kali asam utli gidanti la ong te bagi tourist taksi ki de ban yang hapo ISBT te kumnu ki poi bat sini menu ba pelaj ki if you on traffic jam page men Saturday but Sunday menen ke sili fin nado na po moyong hado sherpi fin page fin daya ter fin ibaj AS01 bro namar kan di benai shuti ha sam kiulo chile tiga sarkar ka ban shimkhya khamtam kini commercial kali beri ban pensange lada ka sarkar kamla ande ngin sami mengi daga sang posok ngin pensange mengi in parung baj ISBT timdi tengah tarung akwa ban kiran shpang kayo kam yo jam piong bangi hap sedang deki kam lajong ka turis ke jaka jungi ke deki boble ba ngidon ki jaka ke ba itnat barok ke briu nu keleng ki wan hang ne tika ipat ngakwa an bu jeng keli bangi ngiyo nong menta fikren namta fibo ISBT ta menta na po West Bengal wan po ISBT kwa le ka Assam ti di bandon na ISBT nang to pat di ban penyak jeng briu jungi kan lara ka dei don kam kali don kam ke hotel kisah nur kadi banyak kita ta namar mata la shudil be nathi na ba direct be kini ki guest house ki hotel ki behe babun hi pe ki ka jibar dan jumun toy mengi manu bedi try ki jibar ha usiu balong sekretari ka muda uju usiu babat ya municipal tingi la ekren mata ni lara ngemut mendi kli fa da yu ba ajung tho ye tamalong ningkong eng lai kendu usi mo fin marketing ka jaka hi still kadang dei jong himamlim marketing himamlim su agreement ka long te government ti hendrei hapdeng kan ni ka jing kendu program PM ba ba gila kwa hir ban ya ka ti ka benta ban pendep no ban le na tham e ka dei ban ka jing toy jong ba we nakaliang usi uru simti tingi subu por tang arsi ya ka municipal ta ka nyat sumoda ingin bu arsi ba kideban penshayangi lada kila pensenge ketika kamru kideban ai official letter ini bala pensenge ketika ya ka jingtai pi ai the ila kamde kumta tembut ngin saya tek step banyak hi impat le jurip hi temangi la le chwa direct hi ke benta ke badeban pej ketika jaka nilai keren kene soi municipal lamang impat de kendu isi hadu kan no ya gishu thu itu batreng tu ngi ya keren no hiru issue wan penkelut hamtam ya kaya yang cepat ba po PB hamtam kita kenong di badan pertama mar kita kenong di badan kita ndaka asosiasi jongki tingila kali via le yu nak yang municipal tina kali yang municipal ko ngi haban ya prosedur ban board ya ka prosedur bala ada ka high court tingi ong via le lor kata tina kali yang municipal ko habwat se ka jaka mandra man shifan bu ki ti tongi pechwa ke bakan municipal kala kande kanya cuma hadu menta kidang pha jurip kanut kibri batan tu ki basyong ti nakaliang chungi syong pe chene ko wai sama ka ban kong hi kan de jing mentoi hi yo khasi jongi la ka de hang no nur ka chakap kinyo hamtam ngila ang nur aslam ha phi ingi sha kemru ang tu sha keno ngi pen klumar po PB hagini ki khendat panai ki khandai ngut ki khot membar chungi ti don kibri ba ya FIR ngimtip ka sedang kadu ka de nam de ka proof hadu kanur ngi klemi i kata mari keno ba bangi cendrat di dukan dukan e matan ni nakaliang ka chungi ka sengi kwa long fi ba ngi ang nut ba ka we ka long ba khamtam ya ki khasi jongi ken ta habangi pej ya kampulet ru ba apply ki di fin pej ka post ki ba ki apply ba ka jingpuli jong ki ka me hap shu mar teng teng wa kam ka jam ta ka bajincar ngi hap i ndop ka bayo khasi jongi ki lala ban de jinde khasi jongi ki lala ban trei kini kini kam manta ti kindet is ngolongo adu kata-kata nomor ba i hang tu gidon ki ba tu ka kam kadang sakut mata pokot nei la don pat ki ba stay ki building man snai ki yeng tu ti idap daga jing kendet idap daga ngolongo bat ba sngo ngo kolong ba kinu kita ki beriu ki ba nut ban ya chmat abede ni nei tang ma pin room support ru kalong ka ba e hang tu namar ba ka de ka jaka ka banang kanro kanram sarkar ko patla ado mataban solve ini problem isu ipe na kapor ba tang ka jinga koi be po yang ka po kot ti mentang kendit thret abang I ka tu ka jing tei bi anya ka tu ka building ti na kaliang ka chongi ngi lawan mata ka singiru isu po municipal rai UCO khamla man kandu na sim sti ngi la kli bha shapang ka tu ka jing tei bi anya tu pana kaliang jong u CEO mdan ma shio banya kren ka tu ka ni ke engineer badan hang tu tikiru kila nyat spo moda ti jing shisang la lik ka sinjam ben ngkok eng ila phun usi mi ma malim bat na kaliang usi mi wong bangi tu ka jaka ngi IT sa sarkar sa municipal ti municipal lu kala nyat mata po moda ti ka ong ba ngila kali mano ba ai jing bet mano ba ai permission ki ban sna tu building ti na kaliang ka jongi ru ni kum ka sengi wan hagani ga sni ka ni por ban ai ka message sa sarkar ba khamtam sa municipal ga nyat sa moda bat si bunyat sa municipal bat ibu tang arsni lada kimla ban le ye the na kaliang jo kaseng in shimik senjam ki step ban nyat khmat la ka de ngi bangin IFIR ngin ai de FIR pasha ki video batu bi ai to ka to remru ke district council kindian namar ha ki jaka ki badan ki tourism ke de jaka ka shidu jong ka district council ndai ke district council ni kam shim khia e em ke district council ke man shim khia namar ke district council no fi dei kam dei ban ai la tham ya ke state government bagan nek ban ban ka te namar ke shidu ke jaka ke de jaka ada fi wan ban ran ke no ke jaka janga fi wan tong jaka janga fi ya thu lamba ke district council tengin salaj ban ai ke jing tho ru se district council habi dei jingrung laj lan jo ki biro bana bar ham tam turis commercial ki wan rong bi an ha ki jaka shidu jong district council dari ga baar pa dari bala dei ke sarkar ka dei ban yo wei po wei staff joka kam dei shon phawara ban wara kali haki office baki dei ban kini gunu department baki tre mo lada ki ban pet ka government ki staff le jong ka ban pet lada ki don menta ki bas kumo ngi fi bene ki basa nang ni shom sning nang ni shonong po nang ni ki ki district don kam ke nyun ra kali jong na matang teng bon kam po office ki la ban mi nyo phra ba je mi kali shu an rei ngi fi kat ni ngi fi da dei e ba ka jing block ya ki commercial mo ko ba pet mena ka ni fi le mo le siliang rei ka block traffic jam fi ki dei ki private.
According to recent information, an accident occurred on National Highway 6 involving a Maruti Swift taxi with registration number ML05T9723. The taxi had just dropped off passengers at Gauhati Airport and was heading back to Shillong. At around 8 a.m. near Dulong Narwi Bhoi district, the vehicle slid straight under a damaged inactive truck parked on the roadside. 2 passengers in the taxi were injured in the accident. The driver reportedly lost control of the vehicle due to falling asleep at the wheel. Both the driver and the passenger suffered injuries, with the latter being more severe. Prompt action was taken by onlookers who called for help. The injured individuals were swiftly attended to by emergency services and they were transported to the nearest hospital for treatment.
Woi. Li lentang ni marwih ni dah. Masak. Ha?
ahin tapi ke truk me kadon
On the 23rd of July, the Manipur support group residing in Shillong organized a gathering at Don Bosco Square to pray for the situation in Manipur and to condemn the ill behavior towards the 3 women who were paraded naked and raped. People from all over Shillong and other parts of the state joined in the gathering, raising their voices against the brutal acts and the government's inaction. The attendees demanded peace in Manipur and justice for the perpetrators of these heinous crimes against women. Social activist Angela Rungat criticized the Manipur government for its failure to bring peace to the region and urged them to take decisive action. Some cookies present at the gathering suggested that the only way to halt the ongoing violence is to establish a separate government for the cookies and Meiteis. The meeting concluded with the lighting of candles and prayers for peace to prevail in Manipur, showing solidarity with the distressed individuals in the state.
What do we want? Peace. When do we want it? Now. What do we want? Peace. When do we want it? Now. Peace in Manipur. Peace in Manipur.
Friends, we are all here with one voice, and that is, we all want peace. Yes.
Hakani Gasngi, Lawan Bandon Bantalang di Kong Angela Rungat, Ibalakren Persha Ahlor Kajingle Jong Sorkar Manipur. Ila Ongru Baka Sorkar Kadei Banyale Kat Bala Banwanra Ekashong Suk Shong San Hakajala Manipur.
We don't want divisive politics. We as women don't want to be used by ethno-nationalists. We don't want to be used by right-wing politics. We don't want to be used by anybody who want to further hate, who want to further injustice, and who want to rob us of our peace. We are here to condemn all the forces that have been behind the unrest in Manipur. We may be in Shillong, but when an injustice happens to one of you, my sisters in Manipur, it happens to me. We reject the kind of violence perpetrated over our bodies. Every woman counts, every human counts. We will not allow this kind of hatred to run through our lives, to divide our families, to break our friendships. We will defeat hate. We will defeat hate with love. We will not allow those forces with self-interest, those with a larger design, that are using you and me to spread hatred, to spread violence, to rape, to kill, and to arson. Me and you, wherever we are, in any corner of this world, your voice and my voice matters. will speak to our friends, we will speak to our neighbors, we will even speak to somebody who no longer understands us at this moment. We will not allow our children once again to bear the burden of hatred. Why should our children be taught hate? We will protect them with everything we have. And we will begin by ensuring that we do not point a finger. You and me, for years, have been used by selfish people who are there to push forward their own agendas. Wherever we are, for us women in Meghalaya also, often we are subjected to the kind of misogyny and hate for people who want to push ethno-nationalist politics that other people who they feel don't belong enough. They use you and me all the time. And this time also, this is what it is. And that's why, let us begin. We're almost afraid to talk of peace. We're almost afraid to talk of justice and reconciliation. We're all tiptoeing. We don't want to offend somebody. At the center, that has allowed this to happen in our region. They are using all of us. Oh, you belong to this tribe. Oh, you're not from here. Oh, you're from there. Let us not allow them to use us. But let us say that we are the government and they merely represent us. And we need to ensure that they answer. They answer for every home that has been burnt down, for everybody who has been displaced and who has to look for a new home today from Manipur, for the rapes, the ones we know of them and the ones that have not been reported as yet. They have to be held accountable for what happened to our two sisters. It is the government we will ask to respond.
Habukran chikala pathai kubor kat tukat ningut kijat benriu kuki kilong batang kawai kabala banwan ra ya kasong suk song sanya jela Manipur kalong ban ai no la ka jong ka sarkar na kabenta kijat benriu kuki bat meite.
We want justice and we want separate administration. We want to be separated now. We the Joe Kuki people, we want to be separated. We want separate government. That will be the only peace. Please, the government of India, listen to us. We cannot be together with these beasts who often killed us, murder us, and even our dead body, we cannot collect them. And we cannot bury them. They are still lying in the morgue and they are not kept properly. It is worse than the animal. Even the animal, we don't treat them like that. And how come we talk about peace now? We want to be separated. We want separate administration. We want cookies, whole people. We want only separate administration. Please, government of India and the people in the parliament, listen to us and please grant us this. This will be the only solution.
I'd like to invite you again
How do you see the government
that we read in the beginning.
They are not dealing with anything. They are only siding with his community, the Meitei people. Even while we are raped and tortured, they say they are still on their side. I think all the video must be known. I am not lying. My people are not lying. Still now they are hiding something behind. And if the video is not viral, nothing will be done till now. Only they are waiting for the viral video. If the video is not viral, Manipur will be burning and nobody will understand our problem. And people thought we are lying, but we tribals, we are not lying. We are a truthful people, we are a very good citizen of India. Your name? Chompi Haukim.
Happened. Even the parliament, the CM
of Manipur will not speak out till now. Luckily, God has sent us. We are standing still. We are standing the truth with the truth. Till now, we don't want to speak lies. We want to stand with justice. We want to stand with truth. So that's the reason now it's coming out, and God has revealed all the truth now.
From the seduction of wealth.
If you can tell us about this agitation. No peace. So, for Manipur, for the tribal people, unless the state is served, how can we have peace? Because the government is totally siding with the poor people. The government, people used to say, that's the people of the valley people are still scattering all the videos because in tribal areas, all the nets are set down and we can't do anything, we can't have any communication. But we tribal cookies or people still we spare the people who are still stuck in our tribal areas, but they did not spare the women, the children, and the old ladies and the disabled people. They are not spared. So how can we live with them in Manipur in peaceful way? So now the last and the final solution is separate administration is the only solution. Even our domestic animals, the dogs are not spared. They keep on burning. This is how the situation of Manipur happened in Manipur. So unless justice is served, unless separate administration is there, no solution. Only solution is separate administration for Kuki-Zo people. Today, we want to speak the truth. We want to stand with the truth. We don't want to speak lies. We want the people of Manipur, the ladies are facing is, we don't want even for enemies to face those things. We should respect human bodies. We should respect God has given us our body. God has given us everyone has mother, wife, daughter. We should respect each and every one of our body. Why they are showing in every step to the government, everywhere the assembly first they try to block with their naked. They want to show their naked. They have to respect their bodies, so that God will stand in every area. That is only what we want. Separate administration is what we want. The only solution for justice. Thank you. That's all.
Are not spared. Then how can you imagine human will spare? Please fight for us for separate administration from the Meitei society, not Manipuri. We are Manipuri, but we want separation from Meitei community. We want separation from Meitei community by Kuki-Zo tribal group.
This will not continue anywhere in India, and we will fight till the end until justice is given to the country.
So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.